Hello everybody and welcome to Kara Kent's channel. Today we are cooking with my niece Lily. We're going to be making some Betty Crocker fudge brownies. First we're going to heat the oven to 350 degrees.
And I'll be standing here.
Then we are going to take our 8 by 8 inch square baking pan and we're going to grease the pan so the brownies don't get stuck in there.
Oh, and do they know your face?
They should.
Because if you want to do a face reveal, yeah.
Alright, what do we got here? Now I'm going to take the easy way out here and use some Dollar Tree Healthy Chef butter flavored nonstick cooking spray for the pan.
And you need to put it over here because then they can see.
I'm moving the pan. And you just take your pan here and you spray in there all around and make sure it gets coated evenly and you're all good to go. We're going to set that aside for now.
And then we're going to take the green bowl.
And then you can take your mixing bowl, which we have our Green Pioneer Woman Christmas mixing bowl, and I just exploded brownie mix all over myself, but that's okay.
It's always okay.
We're gonna pour brownie mix into the bowl. Oh, sorry. And then we need to add 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 egg.
And I'm going to just even this out. I like to even.
Let's see here.
And I'll be making my own channel soon, and I'm super excited about that. And I'm a little too tall for the camera. Which is Karen's song.
Well, I'm
You
making
need help?
Nope, I got it.
Alright.
And we do not have vegetable oil, but you can substitute like olive oil or corn oil. We're going to substitute peanut oil. Unless you have peanut allergies, then you might want to substitute with something else.
Yeah.
So you need 1/3 cup of this stuff.
I have a yellow food dye allergy, so I can't have anything with yellow food dye in it. Only yellow food dye 6. Fun fact about me. Fun fact of the day.
All right, if you want to go ahead and pour that oil into the bowl there, Lily.
All right. You said that you could upload this into the... Okay.
And then we have our, it sometimes can get gooey.
It's on me.
Yep, that happens.
It's on me, guys.
You want some paper towel?
Yes, please.
There you go. And we got our trusty tablespoon here. Looks like a flour. We need 2 tablespoons of water.
And guys, we have none of the ingredients actually at our place, so she'll be walking back and forth. If you
All right,
know.
there's 1 tablespoon of water. I need 1 more.
I've got brownie mix all over my hands.
Uh,
And cooking is a messy job.
There's the 2nd tablespoon of water. And then we just need our egg. Ooh, yeah, we're going to dust off your footstool too.
Oh, jeez.
It kind of exploded. Eggs.
Well, fun fact, I'm not using my step stool because I'm too tall for my step stool and you'll never be able to see my face.
Yep.
Since I am a very tall person. Just kidding, I'm using a step stool.
All right. And then we have finally our egg. We're using Meyer brand large grade A eggs here.
And...
You gonna crack the egg or do you need me to do it?
I think I can do it.
Okay. Good job.
And now I'm going to, can I have another paper towel, please?
Oh, another paper towel? Yep.
Because eggs are super messy.
Here, there's like 3 of them there.
Just what I needed.
Alright.
Super towels.
And then here's our wooden spoon, and we're just going to stir that till it gets all nice and all the dry ingredients are wet and it's all creamy.
Mixa, mixa, mixa.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Let's do a video of me introducing myself because they don't know anything about me.
Alright, Lily. Looks like it's almost completely mixed. Let's scrape the sides of the bowl here and make sure we get all of the dry brownie mix off the sides of the bowl.
I know how to.
Okay.
And to make sure there's no dry brownie mix anywhere.
Yep, get it all deep down in there. Oh,
See?
yep.
Mixa. It's a show that I used to watch when I was little. That's why I have it in my mind right now, because I'm mixing.
Yep.
Mixa. Blue's Clues. That's what it's called. I think that's good.
Alright.
Let me just. Yep. Should we edit 2 videos together so like after they're done cooking?
We are probably going to have to, yep.
Okay.
Alright, now we're going to take our 8 by 8 inch pan here and set it on the counter.
Can I have a little bit of the lick of the bowl?
Yes.
We're looking at the bowl.
And we're just going to take our brownie batter here and pour it into the pan. And I'm going to hold the bowl while she scrapes it into the pan.
Even though it goes finally, you always want lots and lots of brownies.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Dana? There's a lot of brownie mix and I can't get it all out, but I know like I can, but I'm having trouble.
You're doing good. Just got to keep scraping.
Yeah. You mixa. Or a pora. Because we're not mixing anymore.
Right.
But I had that stuck in my mind, so I can't stop saying it because we're baking.
I know.
I think that's good.
Alright, here, let me see the...
Because I can't get any more out. I mean, I
Get
can,
a little bit of the
but
center stuff out. There we go.
should I just...
Yep, you can do that for a little bit.
Wiggle like a worm, wiggle like a worm.
And our oven is not fully preheated yet, so we're going to have to wait to put it in the oven.
And I'm going to be licking.
And Lily can have her lick from the bowl.
And spoon.
And spoon.
You know there's raw egg in it? One raw egg doesn't really hurt.
No.
But you might not want to tell my mom and dad about this.
I won't.
Meanwhile, we'll see you when it's time to put the brownies in the oven. See you then.
See you then.